Ingress timeout problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem easy and fast. So first thing, go to settings, go to the apps manager, go to the apps and then go to Instagram right here. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is very simple. First thing, go to the data usage and then scroll down and make sure that all the network access options are enabled. Go back, click on the storage, click here on this clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on the home page, open the Play Store and search for Instagram and click here on update to update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.